Hi there and welcome to Hyundai Power Products. My name is Adrian and today we're going to look at this HYPM1600E. HYPM, Hyundai paddle mixer with a 1600 watt motor, and it runs on 230 volt from a 13 amp plug, so E, electric. So we're going to open the box, lay the contents on the table so you can see exactly what you get. So everything's here on the bench. First of all, we have the head unit itself, the two-piece paddle. A little bit of assembly needed, we'll show you that a bit later. A pair of spanners which we'll use for the assembly. Now it does come with a 5-piece trowel set, as you can see, and again it comes with a user manual. Now I do recommend that you read the user manual thoroughly before use. So the first thing I'll do is assemble the two parts of the paddle. So we've got a threaded end, the other end's threaded but it has a nut. We want the plain threaded end and we'll screw it into this coupling nut here. So we'll screw it down as far as it'll go by hand first, and then again using the spanners I'll hold the bottom one. This nut is welded to the shaft and I'll tighten that down into position. So with the two halves completed, I'll screw the paddle in again. I'll screw it in by hand till it'll go no more. There we are. I'm just going to put it down onto the bench. And again, you'll see there's two flats on the output shaft that you can get a spanner on. Get a spanner on that nut and lock them together. So there we are, that's the paddle fitted. So before use, we need to plug it into a standard 13 amp outlet, so I'll do that next. This machine has a trigger lock, so as you can see, if I pull the trigger, I can't pull it. I need to push this button and then pull the trigger. I'll just tip it back because it is plugged in, so I'll push the button, pull the trigger. So I'll show you that again. Push the button, pull the trigger. There we are, and it's ready for use. So on the underside of the unit, you'll see this selector knob. Now it can basically swap between low speed and high speed. Simply rotate the knob between position 1, and I'll just quickly demonstrate. Okay. If I switch to position 2, may have to just rotate the shaft slightly to change, and this will be the higher speed. Okay, so there we are, that's the speed selector. So there's plenty of torque in this unit with its 1600 watt motor, so ensure that when you're using it that you have two hands on the handles at all times. Just a little safety tip. And again, as with most power equipment, ensure that you're wearing the correct PPE at all times when operating any tools. Well, there we are, and don't forget this unit does come with a full 5-piece trowel set. Well, I do hope you found this demonstration useful. For more information on this or any of our other products, visit www.hyundaipowerproducts.co.uk. I've been Adrian, and thank you for watching.